How to share YouTube link on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of 1 to Step. Whether you're trying to share the YouTube link of a particular video or of a particular channel, you can share either of them. So if you want to learn how you can do this, make sure you keep watching this video until the end. First of all, get the link that you want to share and then open up your Instagram. Tap on your stories on the top left. I've just picked this picture. Now once you open up your story section, tap on the stickers option on the top. Once you're on the stickers section, you can just tap on the search bar and search for link. Once you search for it, you can see the sticker. Just tap on the link sticker and the link section will open up. Now here you can paste in the URL that you just copied. And then you can just tap on this customize sticker text. And you can type in anything you want right here. Tap on done on the top right, and there you go. This link now has been added to your Instagram story, and whenever you post this and when someone taps on it, they will be directed to your YouTube channel or the video that you've shared. So that's exactly how you can share your YouTube link on Instagram story. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.